Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on the time period of a charged simple pendulum placed inside a uniform electric field. The question is as follows. A simple pendulum of length L is placed between the plates of a charged parallel plate capacitor having electric field E between its plates as shown in the figure. The bob of the pendulum has mass m and charge q. The time period of the pendulum is given by, the options are 2 pi root over L by root over G square plus QE by M whole square, 2 pi root over L by G plus QE by M, 2 pi root over L by G minus QE by M, and 2 pi root over L by root over G square minus QE by M whole square. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us recall the related concepts. A simple pendulum is suspended in air as shown in the figure. Length of the pendulum is equal to L. Mass of the bob is equal to m. Therefore, the only force acting on it is the force of gravity, which is nothing but its own weight. Therefore, we write Fg is equal to mg. Therefore, acceleration of the pendulum is equal to force divided by mass, which is equal to acceleration due to gravity g. Therefore, time period of the pendulum is given by t is equal to 2 pi root over L by g. Now, for the answer. According to the question, the simple pendulum is suspended between the plates of a charged parallel plate capacitor as shown in the figure. The bob of the pendulum is now given a charge Q. Electric field between the plates of the capacitor is equal to E. The forces acting on the bob are as follows. The weight of the bob given by Fg is equal to mg, which acts in the downward direction, and the force due to the electric field E is given by Fe is equal to QE, which acts towards right. Therefore, the two forces Fg and Fe are mutually perpendicular. Therefore, the resultant force is given by F is equal to root over mg whole square plus QE whole square. Therefore, acceleration is given by g dash is equal to F by m. Putting the value of F and simplifying, we get g dash is equal to root over g square plus QE by m whole square. Therefore, time period of the pendulum is given by t is equal to 2 pi root over L by g dash, which is equal to 2 pi root over L by root over g square plus QE by m whole square, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is A, which completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.